Hi there everybody and welcome to another video. I've got a mini one here, 2007 r56. I'm just going to show you how to tackle the front lights, the indicator bulb, so this bulb here, and also the side light bulb. The day running lights or side lights, whatever we call them. We're gonna have a look at how to access those areas and how to change them. And also we're gonna have a look at how to change the headlight bulb, which is up here. But for that one, we need the car down. If you turn it to one side, then it gives you a little bit of room. Gives you a little bit of room to access these holes. So if we basically turn these covers anti-clockwise, sometimes they can be hard to turn. They're very simple, but they get stuck. I have had it. I had to even use pliers to get access. But these ones did open quite easily. Now the bulb in here, I'm gonna try to get in there a little bit. Okay, it's a little bit difficult to get the camera in there, but there is a bulb in there, this one here. You just need to turn it anti-clockwise and pull that out, and that is the bulb there. This is actually a side light bulb in this car. It's not exactly a fog light, that one there, but many cars, many other ones will actually have a fog light there too. So I'm just going to fit this back in there. So once you change it, you can just fit that back into that little hole and turn it clockwise, and that will secure it. And with that done, we have one job done. Then you can put this cover back in there. And this, we have the little flaps that need to go in there, right? Once you line them up, you can turn that and secure it. And then we have this one up here. Now this one, we have another cover. Again, anti-clockwise. Take that out. And in there will be the indicator bulb, which we can just turn again anti-clockwise and take it out. You can then change the bulb. The bulb, just press and turn anti-clockwise. Single filament bulb. This is a P21W 12498. So it's just a 12 volt. You get your new one, get it in there, push it down and turn it clockwise, and same procedure, get it in there, and turn it clockwise, and that will secure it. And then we can put that cover back in, and this other cover as well. And as far as those lights are that's pretty much it. Now we're gonna have a look at how to change the headlight bulb that is up there. So let's look at the bulb from this angle. We have this cover here. If we press that there, we can take this cover out. So, okay, might be a little bit hard to pull it out with one hand. There we are. Okay, that will give you access to that area in there, which the bulb is in. So maybe we can shine a light in there. Now usually those ones have a little metal clip that is holding them. So in there is that little metal clip that I'm going to release. So you press it down, push it, and move it down a little bit, this clip. Once that is out, you can actually take the bulb out. And this one, you just need to unplug it from those 3 plugs there and take it out. This is a H4. This is a H4 bulb, and it's got 2 filaments in there, because this is the headlights and the deep beam and normal beam. So then we're gonna fit this back in there, and just make a note of how it comes out, because there is two little flaps on the sides which take care of, which need to align basically. Those 2 little flaps, they need to align in there, otherwise this won't fit in properly. And then we can close that little clip, push it down and hook it on that little hook. And that's pretty much it, really. Get your cover in then and lock it, and job done. So all in all, I know it's a little bit difficult to show you in there because my hand has to be in to actually remove the thing, but that is mainly is that little pin. But that little pin, like I said, press it in a little bit and down. It's got some resistance, but it will pop out. You will feel how it pops out, and then you can remove the light. So hope this video helps. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.